welcome to another video. So as you can see, I'm not really wearing any makeup today and I might look a little weird right now, but that's because for today's video, for the coming whole week, I am going to be wearing a full face of makeup using products that are highest rated under rupees 150. It's quite a lot. So how I've narrowed down on these products is that I did a little research on online makeup blogs and also checked the ratings on Nykaa.com itself, and that is how I kind of narrowed down on these products. So let's begin, shall we? So for my base, I picked up 2 foundations and 1 BB cream. So as I did end up picking 3 base products, kind of what I decided was that for today I'll just use one foundation on one half of my face and the other on the other half of my face, and then maybe on my forehead I'll use the BB cream, just so that we can do like a side-by-side comparison. So I'm going to begin by using the waterproof makeup foundation in the shade blush on like this side of my face. Honestly, this looks like a little on the orange side. I put 2 coats of it and it's still a pretty sheer coverage. So I'm going to be using this foundation, which is the Florina Silky Smooth Foundation, on this side of my face. So this does have a little bit of better coverage, but even so I feel like it does have a pretty light coverage. Let's go and put the Garnier BB cream on my forehead and also on my nose. Like these both still have a little bit of a dewy finish, and this one just kind of feels very cakey. I don't like the finish that it is giving at all. So let's move on to concealer, and honestly guys, for concealer I did not really find any concealers under 150. The only one that I found is this one by Blue Heaven, and it is the Blue Heaven makeup stick. This is way too light. Let's blend this. Can you just see how this looks on my face? Okay, this is not even blending. I mean, so I'll be using the Lakme rose powder in the shade soft pink to bake my skin today. So I have put powder on and I'm gonna allow this to set for some time, and meanwhile let's move on to my eyebrows. So I'm using the Maybelline brow pencil on my right brow. Okay, this just does not go with my eyebrow color at all. It's like really brown. Let's use the Lakme pencil on the left eyebrow. At least in terms of shade, I would say this is like definitely much better. And you can see that this one is a tad bit too brown and this one is a tad bit too black. I think there is another shade in the Maybelline one that was available. I probably should have got that. That might have probably worked better for me. Let's move on to the eyeshadows. I got 2 single eyeshadows from Miss Claire in the shade 0503 and 0655, and I also got Essence eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Vanilla Milkshake. Oh, it is so pretty. So let's get some eyeshadow action in. Yeah. So I am done with my base eyeshadow and I am loving this. Also, to top my eyeshadow off, I have gotten this shimmer dust in the shade gold from Blue Heaven. Okay, I have never used anything like this ever before. How pretty does this look? So moving on to the eyeliner, I have gotten 2 eyeliners with me. One is the Blue Heaven eyeliner and the other one is the Lakme eyeliner, and let's just use this one on each eye and get the eyes done with now. So I'm kind of done with the eyeliner, and I think both of these eyeliners that I used are pretty good. And let me just use a little bit of kajal on my lower waterline and be over with this. And the one that I'm using is the Faces kajal in black. So it's lippy time now, and for my lip, the Colourpop's matte lipstick in the shade Mauve Date. In this, I also did get the Blue Heaven lip color pencil. So today I will be using the Blue Heaven's pencil along with the Mauve Date shade for this look. So this is the complete lip, and I'm not really sure it's going with my eye makeup, but we're gonna roll with it anyway. The second last product that I'll be using is this blush. This is from Blue Heaven as well. I'm just gonna apply this quickly to my cheeks. So to finish this look off, I am going to be using my Essence eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this as a highlight, and yeah. So guys, I am done with today's look, and you know, I'm going to be carrying this throughout the day today. See you in a few hours. Bye. So it's been a really long day today, and right now it's about 1 a.m. and I think my foundation kind of gave up on me. Eye makeup on the other hand has been a big winner. I mean, I had a plate of nachos today, so I think my lipstick kind of gave up on me at that point. It stayed with me till then, and I respect it for that. I look pretty tired now, and I think I'm ready to get this off my face. Hey guys, so it has been a week that I've been using these products. So by now I do know what products I liked, what I didn't like, and the ones that I'm a little bit on the edge about. So let's start with the products that I didn't like first. So these are all the skin products, which is the concealer, foundation and the BB creams, and actually they all made it to the do not like list. The coverage on all of these is sheer at best, and in terms of shades, there aren't a lot of shades available. Like the foundations that were there had only 2 shades available, and the BB cream actually did not have any. So needless to say that I didn't really find a match. So let's move on to the products that I'm a little on the edge about. I'm really not sure how I feel about them. The Lakme Rose Powder, and this I used for setting my makeup, and it didn't really do a very good job. And secondly, it was really drying on my skin, and I feel like this would work for oily skin girls, but I have really dry skin, so it didn't work for me. So I think it's pretty clear that I ended up liking most of the stuff that I bought. The eyeshadows, the shimmer dust were like super impressive. I really love them. I'm going to be using them. I mean, these are gonna be a part of my makeup routine from now on. Also, I really like using both my eyebrow pencils. They're really easy to use, especially when you're in a hurry. So both the eyeliners are also fairly decent. They're not the best eyeliners, but they're pretty decent for the price that they're offered at, I'd say. Coming to the lips, I really enjoyed using all the lipsticks. They're really nice, creamy, everything you would expect from a lipstick. So the last product in my love list is the blush by Blue Heaven, and really nice, and this really went on very pretty. Okay guys, if you guys liked this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And if you guys have not already subscribed, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're subscribed, then do hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Thank you so much for staying with me till the